Welcome back.
Welcome back. Today we've got another
Armed vehicle.
3D puzzle.
It's another armed vehicle.
It's an armed vehicle.
Because I rolled the other one.
Yeah, we did have another one, but unfortunately as we were building it, we were a little bit too hard-handed with it, and it got broken and damaged and destroyed, so we couldn't put that up. So we got a new one to show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Okay, and Liam, tell me a little bit about an armed vehicle.
An armed vehicle is about an army piece of tanks.
It's an army piece of tanks. Is
Yeah.
it? Put this down so friends can see your face. Others can't see you.
See?
Okay.
Because it got little peers that can go.
Okay, so it's got guns on the roof to shoot the enemy.
All grey tanks.
Yeah. And what else can you tell us about armed vehicles?
Armed vehicles don't roll on tracks, they roll on wheels.
Yes, they've got wheels, they don't have trucks. And Marika, can you also tell me a little bit about the armed vehicles?
Their glass is bulletproof, so when
Yeah.
somebody shoots them on the glass, it doesn't break. And their armor is as thick as the tank's armor. That's how
Yes.
protective it is.
So, if they get shot at, the vehicle doesn't, or it gets a little bit of damage.
Yeah, but not so much. It
But
doesn't get-
hardly any damage will be seen on it, and the glass, definitely, it is shatterproof, or it is those thick
But it's
armor glass.
bulletproof.
Or
It's
Okay.
bulletproof.
It doesn't break, or yeah, it's bulletproof, so the bullets just,
bombs or
Just, battles just destroying the enemy.
yes, it just bounces off. Okay.
And then go to the enemy.
Yes. Okay, so we are going to build another 3D puzzle, and before we start, just to tell you a little bit about it. Okay, so it is basically just a thick paper that's got printing on it, okay, and it has got polystyrene.
And you can even
or not
bend it.
polystyrene, it's styrofoam. So styrofoam filling in the center of it. So
You can even just move it.
yeah, some of the pieces look like they are broken, but actually they're not. They just
Yeah, you
cut
can
through so they can
bend them, so you can
to
make them
let
angle.
them fit in that place.
Yes. And these puzzles aren't for playing. It is literally to build and to keep nicely for display. Okay?
Oh, look,
Good.
so is here. So let's mix it.
Cement mixer.
Yeah.
All these construction vehicles.
This was my surprise.
Yes. You got a surprise. So this was-
And even a space book.
yes. And a coloring book with lots of activities. That was also part of the little surprise for him. And what else? Okay, so you've got to be super.
Oh, but you can even move him.
Yes.
Put it on.
The section where you've got this.
Don't bend them
more
too
sus-
much, or don't like use all your strength because they can get damaged very
They-
easily.
Or
they
just,
can. They are quite fragile.
or just
Okay.
crack.
Some of these puzzles are very easy to build, and some
Wait,
of them are
maybe
a bit
there's going to
difficult.
be two.
This one we have built once, so I think it won't be as difficult.
Yeah, it
as-
shouldn't
Yeah,
be
the
difficult.
excavator
Like we
we
said,
already. I want to tell them.
Okay, you tell
We-
me. Put this down so they can't, otherwise I can't see you.
We made an escalator.
Yes.
We made a house.
Yes.
And we made the ice cream shop.
Yes, you did.
We made the arm vehicle.
Yes. Well, we've made the armoured vehicle.
And then we made the castle and
Put this down,
the.
the friends can't see
We
you.
made
in-
Eiffel Tower, so
yeah.
we made 5. I think.
Yeah, so it
Now,
starts with the
We had to.
Escalator.
But we have.
later.
We have one more.
House.
I mean, we got.
cream.
we got
the
one more.
ship. The ship is
Oh yeah,
after
there's
the
a
ice
ship
cream
as
shop.
well.
And then it was the castle. No, I
Yeah.
think the Eiffel Tower.
The Eiffel Tower, and then it was the castle.
Yeah, so we made 6 videos of that.
Yes, so we've got this one that we're going to do today. Okay. So are you
Yeah.
guys ready to build?
Yes.
Success.
Yeah.
He is 6 years old.
Just how old you are. That's the number of puzzles we've made.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Then we got one more.
Yeah, we've got one more that will
The theme park.
Yes, theme park.
theme park. Okay.
Or the theme park.
Because it's
So
not
we have that
started
song.
with a Z,
It's a theme.
it's a TH, which is theme park. Okay.
At the
So
theme park, I had dance and the lights.
Yeah,
That's
lights.
a song out of it. That's a song.
it is. You don't need scissors or anything with this. Everything is
this-
already pre-cut.
Hello, thing. What's
Pencils
this?
for the
It's not to
little
play with. It's a
Ah,
microphone.
this is for microphones.
Yes.
I just feel so soft.
Yeah, we've got pencils we've taken out to remove all little pieces where you would be able to slot them together.
I have a pencil.
That's the only thing that is messy
And
with
look
this,
at
is
this.
stuff that you pop out.
You can even have it on your
You
ear.
want to be clever, master, yeah. Okay, so we are gonna get building.
Uh-huh.
Cool.
Let's get started.
So,
This is how it looks like.
this is a picture of what it's supposed to look like. And
This is how it is.
oh, there is our Jeep.
Wheels
Our
and
armed vehicle. Yeah, the wheels don't move. It's all like
This is-
buzzing together. But there
Yeah.
you go. So,
better than I think.
what do you guys think?
I
Oh,
think
look,
it's amazing.
look.
that it?
I'm having a little goodie to be
Yeah, he's playing
concrete.
with little goodies over here.
To be
These are the little things that we
concrete.
take out to puzzle everything together. So,
Not better than I expected.
okay, I think
Hey! Watch out!
This actually is a full
A sign. That's a sign.
okay, sorry. Okay, yeah, so this is, the paper says it is a 4-star.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it is a 4-star today. We feel that it is a 4-star because we have done this one before.
It felt like a 5-star.
Yeah, when we did it the first time, we were like, whoa, what happened? How do you do this? So I think that is also what caused us to kind of
Delay.
not delay, of kind of destroying as we went along, because you put thing in and you have to take it out and put another one in, and the constant movement of puzzling together and taking apart actually destroys these puzzles. Like I said earlier, because they are basically just a thicker, it's
How am
not
I
cardboard, it's
How am I cement to pour on the
See
side?
that white?
yeah, that's a styrofoam that's in between the layers of paper, and if you press it the wrong way, it breaks. If you
This is
See?
extra.
1 second.
This is just a piece that we don't need.
Look at us.
See if I bend it.
Look
It
it.
bends.
See?
and it gets
I want to show them how
Yeah.
it
Okay, Liam, what do you want to show us?
just pours on the side.
Okay.
Or that side or that.
All right. Yeah. So these things are quite fragile. The paper can actually come off the styrofoam. So when you press it the wrong way, it does come off, and you can tear it
And the
off.
styrofoam also gets damaged.
Yeah, it also does. It's spongy. Okay. So
Let's see how it breaks.
like I said, I think because we've done this before,
Oh,
easy breakable. Okay.
In
So
this one's hands.
yeah.
See?
He's a boy.
styrofoam
Yeah. Okay. So
inside of it.
it was easy today, like I said, because we've done this before, but you still have to
Styrofoam.
be super, super careful. Liam has built the roof and the top section, putting the guns and stuff together.
I block.
And he was a little bit hard-handed.
Pull me down.
One second. He was a little bit hard-handed because the light here in the back is kind of wiggly.
No, it was wiggly even with the other one.
No, it's...
Put me down.
1 second.
He wants to go down, looks like.
There, it's torn there, so you can see there. I don't know if you can see.
I know it's a bit hard-handed. That's why they say don't be a bit hard-handed.
Torn there, yeah. So yeah, be gentle with it. These puzzles are awesome for hand-eye coordination because you have to see what you're doing and how you're putting them together. It's super fun.
Yes.
This tear?
And you
it's
need teamwork. So that's one thing that is needed. So you all have to sit together and be like, okay, well, you're going to do this part, you're going to do this part, and you're going to do that part. And as you finish your section, you can actually go and you can...
Oh, look!
I have an
A
example.
boot! The boot!
You build
Yeah.
And do you know we have something red?
the roof like this piece.
I want to talk to them.
Wait,
Okay.
We even have
What-
something red car.
Yeah, we got a new car.
we
Sunset
got to
red.
see about that soon.
I don't think we'll put a video.
You
We
mean
put photos
tanks?
up on our
Oh,
Instagram.
look! A boot! There's a boot.
There's a boot.
Yeah. This
Okay.
Oh yes, and somebody else builds the walls together. And stuff.
Yeah.
And the wheels. So like 3 people can build this at
Definitely.
one time.
So that is teamwork and team building, and everybody having loads of fun together, and everybody gets a piece to do, and it's just one person putting it together. It's shooting. Who is it shooting?
It's the mini cannons.
Ooh.
They are
Okay.
talking. They are
Awesome.
talking.
They can even turn around.
Like and share our videos.
Yeah.
They just say, hey, get a thumbs up.
Absolutely. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. Show the thumbs up.
I'll make a jar.
Okay, yeah.
Let's look at
Thumbs
you.
up.
Let's rub all our hands.
A giant thumbs up.
A giant one.
And subscribe to our channel.
And click the bell.
Ring.
More notifications when our next videos are coming up.
Yes, absolutely. And leave us a comment what you thought about this video.
Which
Is it-
3D puzzle have you done?
yeah, have you guys done any of these puzzles? Because we think they're super cool. We love them. So yeah, so that's it.
Look at all the colors.
Okay, we'll see you guys soon again.
Bye.